Inika athomani to chiku piampime. Zale soge. Sorry for late so be progede. Who don't now jari soge. Go now jani be attend now jari, alone now jari. Yam your poor kama. Sorry for late so be na progede. I mean they actually marry. The 4 year now ma now tomo buff ing line. Now gani edit hari ten la dumra. Ye seven probably now jari done oh sorry balu poshangi. Sorry for being late. Late ka edit pari done shema buff to be TPI. And if sorry for being late so ma marry. Sorry for late so get marry. And I'm at edit tong rai. Sorry for being noisy. You know, nene asenchila sula done sorry ba. Narupola zoga sorry for being absent. You know, marala done sorry ba. So sorry now ma, sorry for. So we get now ka edit tong mara tong shongi that you will being diabo. Sorry for being late. Sorry for being absent. If I'm your right.